Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. You know, I was thinking the last 7 videos I did were all GT350s and Coyotes. So today, let's give the 3-valve Mustang some love. Behind me, I have a really awesome 3-valve that used to be a daily driver, but now this client uses it only at the drag strip. It's running our Brenspeed B326 stroker engine. So it's still a 3-valve engine, but it's 326 cubic inches. And our HO package, Roush Supercharger kit. We're gonna make a dyno pull, see what it lays down. I have a feeling it's gonna be really, really good. And then we'll take a closer look at the car. Let's watch. I like it. This car's an auto and it made 660 to the tires, 618 torque. And the torque is right when you go wide open throttle. This car's gonna be really, really fast at the track. Check this engine out. So it's got some Moroso tanks. It's got an electric water pump by Mazier and our HO Roush Supercharger kit, which is a 275 pulley and a 10% overdrive crank. It's still running the Roush cold air intake. GT500 fuel system with some upgraded pumps and 95-pound injectors. There's also something in the trunk I want to show you. Let's go look. On the way back to the trunk, let's take a look inside the car because we did install a roll bar from Maximum Motorsports. Those are really nice bars. They come raw, so we powder coated this one textured black. Check it out. I like it. But the thing you can remember is you can get it powder coated really any color you want. You can get it painted any color you want. You want it to match your car. Now back in the trunk, you may have noticed up front we did not have a intercooler tank. It's because it's back here. So here we go. That's a tank by a company called TIG Vision. It's very, very nice. It's vented, it's an ice tank, and what we do is we put ice inside of that at the track, and I ran ice on the dyno right now. It keeps your intake temps cool. So all you gotta do is lift the lid off, it unscrews, it's full of ice right now. That's how that works. And then when the ice melts, you just drain it out, and you put more ice back in it. And adds a little pump in there that pumps it right up to the intercooler, keeps your intake temps cool. I love it. If you have any questions about this car or other cars you might see in these videos, don't forget, leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer. Give us a call, 574-594-9559. If you're interested in any of these items shipped to you or just got questions about them, or maybe you want them installed. And don't forget to subscribe, that's how you're gonna stay up to date. Thanks for watching.